Hi, I'm Dr. Byron Mackay, a chiropractor from Toronto. The problem is that when you sit for hours a day for days, weeks, months, and years, and you're eventually in this sort of hunch slouch posture, your shoulders roll forward. So in order to start to change your posture, you really need to start to focus on stretching some of these pectoral muscles. So the best way to do this is really just using any wall. So what you want to do is that you want your arms slightly higher than horizontal. So my arm is slightly higher, and then I'm going to rotate away. So again, my pectoral muscle goes from essentially my chest and inserts into my shoulder. To stretch that muscle, I need to separate the origin and insertion, all right? So I'm gonna bring this back, keep this stabilized. So my arm is up here on the wall, higher than neutral, and then I'm rotating this way. I'm rotating, and you'll definitely feel it pulling through here. You'll also most likely feel a stretch in your biceps muscle. That's fine, but we really want to focus on our chest muscle. So again, you're in this position, you're going to rotate forward. You're going to hold that for 20 or 30 seconds. Then you're going to switch sides. You're going to go the opposite side. Again, it's going to be higher than neutral. And I'm going to be rotating forward this way. And I can really feel it pulling and really stretching through here. Again, I'm going to hold that position for about 20 or 30 seconds. And then I'm going to repeat on the opposite side again. The other thing to remember with this stretch is that when you're bringing your arm back and you are rotating forward, you want to keep your shoulder back with that motion. So as I'm stretching this way and I'm pulling this back, I don't want to let my shoulder come forward as I'm stretching. So I really want to just concentrate on just letting that come back and just be pulled back to actually stretch my pectoral muscles through here. So just really focus on keeping that open through there as you stretch it. I want to try to do each side minimum 2 times, better yet 3 times, so 3 repetitions. I want to try to do this daily.